We're looking at this figure that has 6 identical squares and the sides are all length 1. Now they want to know how long that boldface line surrounding the shape is. But look at these answer choices. Is there any way that the answer is 24? Seriously. Let's go ahead and eliminate those big answer choices C, D, and E. And we're going to explore this further right now. What's going to make this question easier is if we focus on the horizontal lines and then separately on the vertical lines. You see, you could count, just looking at the horizontal lines, you could count how many ones, right? Each side of this square is 1. We can see that there are 8 of them. The vertical side is a little bit trickier. We're going to have to move some of those vertical lines left or right to make it a little bit easier for us to count. You see, we could move, I take this line and I just shift it to the right, and I take this line and I just shift it to the left. We're not changing the lengths of these lines. It just makes it easier for us to count them up and see how much it all comes up to. So in addition to the 8 that we already counted horizontally, we see there are 4 verticals for a total of 12. If you like this approach, be sure to check out my book. It's all in there. What do you want me to talk about in my next video? Type it down in the comments below and maybe I'll make a video just for you. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell icon below so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.